Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, my mom reveals the secrets to making the king of soups, Carne En Su Jugo. So get ready. You're about to get cooked. Oh. All right, guys. We're back at my mom's house. We're going to be making Carne En Su Jugo. It's an original recipe from Mexico. And my mom, she's going to show me how to make it, guys. So my mom's cutting up some beef chuck. She cut it into 4 slices. And we're going to cut it into strips like this. Thin strips. This is going to go into the soup over there.
Aquí son 12 tazas de agua, más o menos 2 tazas por persona.
Oh.
Y le voy a poner en vez de sal, con 2 cucharitas de caldo de
Okay, so you got
verdes.
some beef broth, 2 tablespoons of beef broth, and 12 cups of water. What's that? Is that beef inside there?
Le puse un pedazo para que vaya agarrando sabor.
Oh, okay. So she put a little bit of beef in there just to get some more beefy flavor. Good idea. All right, so these jalapenos, all we're doing is lightly frying them and then putting them off to the side. This is going to go into the soup when it's time to plate. And it's jalapenos, not jalapenos. I swear if I hear one more content creator say jalapenos, dude.
A la sopa,
So we got some cooked bacon, and this is going to go into the soup. One's going to go into the soup as it's cooking, and the other one's going to be a finish topper. It goes at the very end, just to get a little texture on the soup. Hi, Mom.
Hi. Tomates y voy a poner un chile que se me perdió.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4.
Estoy cocinando los tomatillos, nomás que cambien de color, y un chile verde,
Chiles Serrano.
serrano, y un pedazo de cebolla. Y eso va a ser para hacer la salsa,
Okay, so this is going to be used for the salsa right here.
para agregarse a la carne.
And the jalapenos? What's this over here?
Es para la hora de servirlo.
Oh, so this goes serving it. This is not part of the salsa?
No, eso es para la hora de servirlo.
Okay.
Voy a sellar la carne de poco a poco, en las 3 tandas.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and sear them in about 3 batches. As they're done, we're going to just toss them into the broth over here.
Voy agregando la que vaya sellando.
Okay, now that these are nice and seared, we're going to throw them into the broth.
Y iré poniendo más carne
And I'm going to go ahead and throw in some more.
para que no se queme la manteca, la cazuela.
Yep, we don't want to burn the oil, so we're just going to keep throwing some more meat.
Aquí tenemos 3 ajos dorados, cebolla y un chile serrano.
So we got a Serrano, we got 3 garlic cloves and a little bit of onion. We're going to throw in 7 tomatillos, 1 Serrano, and then a little bit of onion as well, white onion.
Y le voy a agregar también un poco de carne para que el jugo se haga más espesito y dé más sabor.
So you got to throw a little bit of meat in there to thicken it up.
Más o menos como una taza, y lo voy a licuar.
The meat is to thicken up the consistency of the salsa, so when it goes back into the pot, it's nice and thick and it's not just watery. So this is the second batch of meat that's done. So we're going to go ahead and blend this, and then we'll go ahead and cook the 3rd batch, and then we'll throw the last one in there. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and put some water into our blender. The same stuff that it was cooking in. Once it's time, we're going to throw it back into the broth. We have this 3rd batch of meat that's almost done searing. I'm going to throw it back when it's ready. Okay, we're going to throw in the 3rd batch of meat, last and final meat. And again guys, this is 4 pounds of beef chuck. It's going to go back into the broth. It's cooking at a medium heat. And we have that liquefied salsa that we made infused with the meat, and you're going to see how thick it is.
Y le voy a agregar ya la salsa. Y ya que iba más o menos como media hora va a durar para que se acabe de cocinar.
Okay, so we're gonna give it about half an hour to cook off, and the soup will be ready. And we're gonna add a few more things to it. We have some bacon that we're gonna add, but we're gonna add it now or later.
Se lo voy a agregar desde ahorita.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add the bacon now. And this is the finish off bacon. Once we have the soup served, this is like a topper. And Ama, ¿qué son estos de aquí? Can you explain what this is?
Aquí tengo cebollas sorteadas con la misma grasa del bacon, los chiles serranos sorteados, los chiles jalapeños al gusto y el cilantro.
Alright guys, so we actually forgot the cilantro. We're going to reblend some with some of the broth. We're going to add it back to the broth, to our pot over there. Oh. So we put the cilantro blended back into the pot now.
Ahí se ve.
And you can see it right in there. Now we're going to let it cook for about 30 minutes. We're actually going to bring this to a boil, so we're going to turn up the heat. Okay, turn it up. ¿Ya lo subiste?
Ya le subí todo.
Alright guys.
Para que empiece a hervir esto.
It's nice and thick. You see the nice rich green color? And it's not super watery. So right here we're about 15 minutes away of it being done. Almost, guys.
Pero se va a hacer más espesa.
Alright guys, so our soup's all done and we're gonna start serving. My mom's gonna serve me because she's the pro. We're gonna go ahead and add it to the bowl here.
Cilantro y unas 2 cebollitas. Ponemos bacon.
Ooh, put all the bacon. Just kidding.
Cilantro y un chilito verde.
Dang.
Y le ponemos un poco de limón.
Squirt of lemon. Oh yeah.
Y listo.
We're gonna go ahead and give the Carne En Su Jugo a try. Mmm. So good. Look at that. Try the meat. It's got the little crunchy bacon in there. Try this bite right here.
Okay,
Give this a try. This is all original, authentic Mexican dish. Thanks to my mom for showing me this. If you guys like this video, you'll definitely like the playlist where we've made tons and tons of meals like this. So check it out. Go ahead and click on that playlist and check out all the other videos. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to Orozco's Kitchen. We're gonna add some beans. Damn. Está bien bueno, eh? Shit. Mm-hmm.